All right, guys, here's the screencast for Tuesday the 13th in US Lit. Today we started class by taking care of Lit terms number 2. If you hadn't already submitted your worksheet, it was due this morning, so you can turn that document in here. And then we took Lit terms quiz, which was on Go Formative. Here's the join code for that. It was a 30-point quiz, and the worksheet was worth 25. So 55 of the last points for this first term. At the end of class, we then shifted gears and talked about the Great Gatsby. If you scroll down here, it's actually a part of the early modernism time period. And there's a map here of Gatsby that we'll talk about in the coming days. There's an e-text here for you guys to read The Great Gatsby. We're going to be through the first 3 chapters by next Thursday is the plan. And today we talked through Gatsby research, where we just looked into what was going on in the 1920s in America, what's the deal with prohibition and bootlegging and organized crime, and what specifically was happening in New York in 1922. So that's kind of the way we spent our time today. It was a good class. I'm sorry you missed it.